Yeah.
So what are the problems that you can face when you are burning the tobacco?
The problems we face here is sometimes this tobacco can
Fall
on
and
this,
it will be very hot there.
on this, and these things will be hot when it's hot, and then it burns. When
It burns.
Now the tobacco,
It's gonna burn the whole bound. Then there's no ways you can turn off the fire.
When it's burning, there's no warm. When you get here, Papa, you know, then there's
I know it.
yeah.
Okay. So after that's where the cigarettes are coming from.
Tobacco, we make
Yeah,
tobacco
everything.
here.
So you're also saying beer comes from tobacco also.
Yes, I was reading on the
bottle.
Yeah.
Beer.
Tobacco.
Picture.
Unoratidza kuti makodya munopfuta yaka ndokwainobva
rakasungwa riri
tinoirima
werapa pero
mangwani anzikira mangwani indizitese shamwari shamwari hairi zidhuku iri hairi ndotonzi zidhuku baba iri usaendese fodya yako kuauction inodzi hausaendese kuauction auction haidarike pa $5
shama bata shamari murimi wanasi saya papi murimi tsanangurire murimi
fodya iyi kai ndo cigarettes we are smoking. It comes from this is the leaf. We grow tobacco from seed. This is the tobacco material is coming from this one.
From this one. Yes, I know process abi.
Ichazotengesera varungu. Tengesera varungu ndo vachazonoiprocessa manje vachizogadzira ma-cigarettes and all that stuff. But we are the farmers, we are the one who is making this thing.
This thing?
Yes, we're making it.
Right.
We're making it here.
Right.
Yes, here in Zimbabwe.
Zimbabwe, Mount Darwin.
Here in Zimbabwe, Mount Darwin.
Saya sara nekuta sei nekutopekwa.
Yatopera yatongosara nemarket.
Yakuswa mbero.
Yatova ready ungosara mbero yakatenda kumarket. Nothing else. Nothing more than this. The best quality tobacco ever. The best quality tobacco ever.
Best one.
The best one.
I rather go this
one. This one is ranging at $6.90 a kilo.
A kg.
Yes.
$6.90.
A kg, yeah.
Yo.
We need $6.90 a kg of this one.
Yo.
We got 2,000 kgs of this tobacco.
2,000. So 2,000 no go ni mari.
2,000 kgs of this tobacco times $6.90 kgs. Calculate how much money we're going to make. 6,000
kgs.
2,000
kgs.
Yes.
Times 6.
Times 6, yes.
Yo, that's crazy.
We got a lot of money to brother. We're making money. We are farmers. We don't go to work, but we make money here by farming.
Making money by farming.
Yes, tobacco.
Once and for all.
It's the only industry now here in Zimbabwe, more than everyone, more than even a civil servant.
Yo, yes. More than a civil servant.
More than a civil servant. Yeah. The teachers,
so this is where they burn their fodga. This is where they cure fodga. It's called curing tobacco, right? So what do you call this one?
This one is a chimney.
Chimney.
Yes.
This is where the smoke comes out from. And this, what about this building? What do you call it?
It's a bound. We call it a bound.
A bound. In Shona ban. Let's go and check inside and see what's popping there. This one, they're burning the tobacco, right? And it's very hot. And there's fire here. So luckily they used the fire, as you can see. So that's how they burn the tobacco. Curing tobacco. Tobacco is inside, right? And then they use a thermometer to check out the temperature and stuff. Okay, let's check here. The door is closed. And I think we're at final stage, right?
Yeah, the final stage.
And we can't open this one, right?
Once the wind is going to go inside.
Yeah, and the temperature is going to go down. So maybe let's just, luckily this one. Yeah, maybe you can explain.
This one is done now. You can see now. You can see this is the temperature now.
This is the thermometer.
Yeah, this is the temperature. Now it's on 40
degrees Celsius. And then it's done, right?
It's done.
They turn the fire off already.
The fire is off. That's why you see the door is open, the air vents are open, so the wind can blow in to make the
this one soft.
Yeah.
Because it's not soft when it's like after burning it's still like this, ne?
Yeah, it's not soft.
But when there's the wind and temperatures are down, it becomes soft like the one that I was holding before, right? So
like this for a day till tomorrow. tomorrow morning it's gonna be fine, and then we take it out from there,
Yeah.
put it inside, and then we bail it.
Oh, in the bells.
Yeah.
Then you take it to the floors.
We take it
So the heat will be coming from those
from
things
this.
there.
Yeah, you see there, that thing.
Oh,
there,
it's
the
going
fire
there
coming
and
here,
comes there.
around,
So
around,
it's just the heat
around,
inside
around,
here. There's no
yeah.
firewood and stuff. It's
there's
just the heat.
Only flame. Yeah.
So what are the problems that you can face when you are burning the tobacco?
The problems we face here is sometimes this tobacco can
Fall.
fall on
And
this,
it will be very hot there.
on this, and these things will be hot when it's hot, and then it burn. When
It
it burns
burns.
now, the tobacco.
It's gonna burn the whole bound. And then there's no ways you can turn off the fire.
When it's burning, there's no way.
It's lost. So roughly, it's how much which is in this bound?
Roughly here in this bound, there's almost it's about 500 kgs.
500 kgs. And the kgs cost something like
Like from 499 to 6 something.
6 years, 1 kg.
Yeah, depending
Yo.
on the quality. When you see the quality is good.
Yo, that's a lot of money. So, imagine people they are making a lot of money here in Mount Darwin, as you can see. So this is a thermometer.
Yes, this is a thermometer.
So when burning the tobacco, it should be like what the maximum and the minimum? How do you do it?
The maximum is
What the process? How do you start it? Like
we started from
coloring.
From coloring is 40 when the wind is when the leaf is still wet.
Wet. And then what's the reason for coloring? That's where the whole secret is like.
Yeah, we're draining the water from the leaves. That is draining with the temperature must be 32.
And you color for how many days? How long does it take to
I
color?
think it's 1 day, 2 days.
2 days.
1 day, 2 days.
And then you'll be controlling the temperature from 0 to 40.
You don't put much fire.
Much fire.
Little
Just
fire.
cool fire.
When the coloring is alright, or the tobacco is yellow like this,
Uh,
and then we put more fire.
more fire. And now we want to dry the stem.
The leaf. Yeah.
The leaf or the stem.
You can see here. This temperature is, on this thermometer is written here. On 30 to 40 is yellowing.
Yellowing.
You understand? 40 to 45 is color. When it's 60 now, it's fixing.
Fixing.
Yeah.
So
when
what-
it's
what-
70, it's drying.
Oh, drying. Drying.
70 will be drying. Mostly the thing which takes time to dry is this stem.
The stem.
The stem, yeah. This stem.
If you don't dry the stem, yes, what you know what?
Yeah, I know what
to
I was
protein.
so I need a moisture. In stem. I moisture. Manje just
Vaora.
yomva
And then it's lost.
The stem must be dry. You see this stem. Chaoma chatova chimuti.
Chimuti.
Chinofana kuoma. Kunyange ukaisiyera apa paina zvainoita
I know it.
zvinoita.
Okay. So after,
Forge masigarettes amunopota.
oh, that's where the cigarettes are coming from.
Chinhu chese chogadzwa netobacco, we need
Yeah,
tobacco
everything.
here.
So you're also saying beer comes from tobacco also. Right?
Yes, I was reading on the
bottle. Yeah.
pabhodha pakanyorwa
Beer.
hanzi
Tobacco.
chichi what doro futi rinotobva
Unobva futi papa.
rinogadzirwa futi memwe
Mm.
makota
Everything.
black label
Black label. They come also from tobacco. Oh, I didn't know about that. A lot of things.
I'm going to show you in the field tobacco in the field. When you
Yeah. When it's still in the field. Yeah, and then maybe we're gonna show them the process of like if you pass through there, but I think those are cautious.
Exactly.
So guys, you have heard it for yourself. People that are making a lot of money, thousands from tobacco. This is what they call a bounty. Why is it you don't plaster this one? No need to waste cement plastering. And then so this is like the ash which comes out from the bound. And why is it the maize dry? Just here. So all those pipes is for like circulating the heat. Okay. So you push out. So this one also burning in progress. Okay. Muto peaceful. So I wanna show them how the bound looks like when it is empty. So it looks like this. It's empty like this one. So what they take those small bars where they like bonisa forjika, sunga forjika papo, gogadzika to bars what so. That's how they arrange their tobacco. This is an empty bound, right? In the school, there's no fire or anything there. It's cool. That's how it looks like when it is empty, right? And this is the firewood they use. Here in Mount Darwin, there's a lot of firewood. There's big farms, and there's no firewood shortages. So yeah, this is Mutepe looks like. So they put the tobacco here, my leaves, those tobacco leaves. They put it here, and then they carry this one, and then they will put it on the bound or those bars there in a forge. So they call it Mitepe in Shona. Maybe we can just call them, what can you call them in English? Bars, maybe. So this is tobacco field, and then it's after they harvested the forge. This is correct. As you can see now, it's plain, apart from my leaves. So tobacco, we want leaves, we don't care about the stem. And maybe we're gonna show them. Then we'll show them how it looks like. So it looks like this kind of thing. And this. So why is this one on stairs? Those go this one. Those go rashik. Those temwa. Oh, sound this where. So why is it this time the maize looks like it's dry? Saka chibakishamba chakoma sachaita
chakamba chakumza kuoma sachatomboita kana vana chimwe chacho kutotanga kutofurura uchatomugori
too big. Saka gore rino nenzara, as you can see guys, the maize is dry here in Mount Darwin, much central, right?
Yeah, kuno
Mount Darwin unana pindura
chimwe chekuvarira
yunayo asi much central also.
Even by now kunayo.
So what's happening with Mount Darwin?
In my areas, this area is dry.
It's dry. So we don't need a lot of rain. So what is this? It's cornflower. What is it? Sunflower. Sunflower. That's what we use to make oil.
Sunflower we make fish oil. We don't buy fish oil. We grow
our sunflower. So how do you make oil from that one?
We grow our sunflower and then there's a machine we take the sunflower and then we put in that machine and then we squeeze it.
Oh, mafuta maker.
Yeah, we take mafuta. We don't buy oil.
Yo,
we just grow sunflower. Towana mafuta. We grow nzungu. Towana dovi redu. We grow chibage. Towana ufu wedu. Everything. Mbudzi. Nyama yedu. Toita magazi yedu.
Muriwo. Right. Salt. Maybe soda shoma kwaso to gas ira. The rice wangu nodori mukuno kwa kurimwa rice hakuna mvura ndika. There's no water. Exactly. Yo, so guys, I have edit for yourself. But just ngokuradza inonzi forge. Chataka mamunde asatodarike. Tuzo kana ngaro dikaka. Tadarika ndicho. Maybe we show them ngataku. Maybe guys, I thank you for watching the video to the end. Make sure you like, comment, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more and more farm content or more content that you want to see in Panapa. And do a process kana wangopedza vakutongesa mabhero vakanangisa fodya kuchi maflows vatogadzira mari, and the farmers they make money once a year, you understand? So yeah, it's very easy. If you want to start farming, do farming today. Come back from UK, wherever you are, or Fungro Twitter, Mari, not making money there. Come here, make money here.
30,000
yeah.
30,000 US dollars.
30,000?
Yes.
Yo, that's a lot. You see?
35,000.
You see? So what advice can you give to people that are living abroad?
Living abroad, you don't know what is happening in your country, and you don't belong there.
Yeah, come back home.
That's not your home. I used to be far in Cape Town, but I'm here now because I saw okay.
Yeah, there's money here.
And the production in the Rasala.
Yeah, that's true. Everything.
Tenga kastendi kangu araro 4,000 US. Ureno yapandori mafundo ndakavaka ndikasudza ndakapedza ndisa maroji.
Exactly.
Vanhu vese vachidya ari kunopedza
aona zedzimba.
Dzimba mararo kutodzirendesa.
Exactly.
Ndomari yachikoita pamwedzi takagara.
Vangu pamutamba rakede no stress no kuenda kwemagesi nochi muri pakagadzikana. Exactly. Apo kungosiya chero gejo pai. Ungorara. chokwadi ichocho. Freedom. Right, aiwa chokwadi. Saka mana tokutendei nekuona kwamaita video. Unongochitya unongonongopfuura kuita sei kuna Cape Town. Exactly. Wabatwa. Chatorwa sadai so. Chapaswa.
Every month unobhadhara mari. Uri kuchikora mabhedi wakanaka muchitika zvakanaka mupfeka zvakanaka. But then chinhu manje.
That's true.
Unodzoka kusangana chinhu. Unototifonera isu totakurira mabhaiki edu.
Uber bike.
Kama Uber bike.
Right.
Una motikari.
Right. That's true.
Murima ndongorima gore rineri. Tenga mota yake gore rinouya. Achidai motikari kuno vari vanotenga motikari every year. Every year munhu unotenga motikari yake.
That's true. Azviite uchigadza 10,000. Yeah, that's true. Okay guys, thank you for watching. See you on another video. Timbo another farm tour. Makara farm yacho ndei bandika. So yeah, thank you.